Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red wine vinaigrette only way. Start by gathering red wine vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and any herbs you like. Measure 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, add 1 teaspoon Dijon per tablespoon vinegar, then whisk or shake vigorously until emulsified. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or a touch of sweetness. Use immediately or refrigerate briefly and re-whisk before serving. Gather everything before you start for a smooth, focused process. You will need red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, kosher salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and optional herbs like parsley or oregano. Measure 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar and keep a small bowl or jar ready to whisk or shake in. Fresh garlic or a pinch of sugar can be added to taste, so have tasting spoons ready. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after cooking so easy, and it even dodges crumbs while you finish dressing your salad. It's a handy kitchen companion that saves you time. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by combining vinegar, Dijon, salt, pepper, and any minced garlic in a bowl or jar. Whisk or shake vigorously while slowly adding olive oil in a thin stream until the dressing thickens and emulsifies. Taste and tweak acidity or seasoning, adding a pinch of sugar if it tastes too sharp. For herbaceous variations, fold in chopped fresh herbs at the end. Store chilled and re-whisk before serving to restore texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.